Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this ARIELLI Pump Espresso machine model KM-190BS. Pressure, we've got 15 bar, 1.8 liter water tank, high pressure frothing function for a cappuccino. Max power is 850 watt. Now let's see some specs. Dual stainless steel filter to improve coffee quality. Can make espresso with a perfect cream, with high pressure frothing function for making cappuccino or other hot beverage. 3 switches with the indicator light to make coffee or steam conveniently. Elegant design with aluminium decoration. Safe and reliable with the overheating and overpressure protected device. Detachable frothing nozzle and drip tray for easy cleaning. Well, nice everything done. Let's open it to see what we have inside, how it looks, and of course we're going to make freddo espresso, a cappuccino and espresso. Inside you're going to find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Nice packaging. Very nice packaging. Very protective, I like it. We've got the steel mesh, we can take out and clean it. The metal fan handle, the metal external funnel. We've got the measuring spoon and tamper, the spoon and the tamper. There's the on-off switch. We've got the steam switch and the coffee switch. Steam control knob. We've got the power indicator and the ready indicator. You can remove this and clean it. Very easy. On the other side we have the water tank, 1.8 liter, it is a plastic, and of course with a measurement minimum and maximum. Slides here. There we've got the froth outlet. Take this out and clean it. And from here, down here, we've got the outlet. You can see lock and unlock. Let's fill that with water. Power on. On-off switch, indicator. We need coffee. That is the right quantity. We've got the green light, that means it's ready. Insert it down here and lock it. And let's start the process. This is the first time, it will take long to pump the water. And now it's starting the process. Very rich froth is coming out, I can see. Nice. And we can stop. You can see we've got a very rich froth. Perfect. Now we need ice. If you want, you can take some sugar. More ice. And this is a freddo espresso. Now we need to take this out, clean it, Refill with coffee. It depends how much strong you need the coffee, and then you can see the amount that it needs for that. Don't fill it with coffee all the way up, and don't press it too much, it will damage the espresso machine and you will burn your coffee. Lock it again. And now you can enjoy an espresso. Now let's try the frother device. Push this button and it will go green when it's ready. You need the right milk for the frother. It's ready. And from here, and I think it's ready. You can turn it off. And that was all about the frothing. Of course, it's not the best frothing I ever made because I only drink freddo espresso or espresso. I don't care about the frother, if it is good or not. I like to drink my coffee without the froth. Now, when you finished, clean it ASAP because the milk will stuck to the device. Well, as you can see, the device it's too low, and that is not so good because you cannot use all the type of glasses. A little bit hard to insert this glass down there. You can see it's not staying here. You need a small glass, and the same to clean it. It's a little bit difficult, but okay. And then start again. And that was all to clean it. Oh, let's taste the coffee. Yum. I like it. It's doing a great coffee, I can see. It's not smelling something burnt or a plastic, because most of the parts of this device is plastic. And I don't smell something plastic that is burnt. That's good. Well, I will use it in the future. We will see how it goes. If any problems it will come, I will leave down below in the description my thoughts. Well, did you buy something like that? Did you have into your home a device like that? Please leave down below to the comments your thoughts, you like it or not. About the frother milk, it didn't come so well, but I don't care. Maybe I didn't use the right milk. For me, I don't care so much the frother. As I said, I drink it freddo espresso or espresso every day. Now I do have another ARIELLI espresso machine. You can check the video right in the corner in the end of this video. I like it more the other model. It was bigger, and the space between the base and the espresso machine, it is larger. That's for I can insert a variety of glasses. It is more convenient for me. Well, that was all about, guys. It cost 40 euros as I said. Well, let's see how it goes in the future, if it's worth the money or if it's not. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.